Hey everyone, Dr. Luke Peterson here, physical therapist with a knee replacement therapist. In this episode of the Knee to Know Show, we're going to answer the question of when will your knee feel normal after knee replacement surgery? Hey everyone, so today we're talking about the question of when will your new knee feel normal after knee replacement surgery? When will it feel normal? Just like your normal knee. And first off, just a quick disclaimer is, of course, everyone is going to be completely different. Everyone is an individual, is going to heal and recover in a unique way. But here is kind of an overall understanding of this question. So, first of all, will it ever be 100% normal? You don't feel anything, you don't feel it feels weird or different. It just feels like a normal knee, like you've had it your whole life. For some people, you may achieve that. Some people, I would say it's not a majority. It's probably maybe 25%, 30% of individuals will get to that point where their knee feels completely normal. When will this occur? Well, again, that's going to vary. For some people, I would say at least give it a minimum of 6 months after surgery, but it's very common for some people to be a year out or a year and a half out from surgery. And for a very small few, even further out than that, maybe 2 years, 5 years out from surgery, until you really feel like that knee is normal. What it is, we'll talk about, you'll notice it less and less over time. And it's something that will be kind of an evolution. It will slowly get better, slowly feel better over time. And for some people, that might take 6 months. Some people, that might take a year, year and a half. And some people, that may even take a couple years to get to that point. Now, for a larger percentage of people, maybe 60% or two-thirds of people, the idea that your knee is going to feel completely 100% normal might not be true. And the reason I say this is that a lot of people will still have some lingering symptoms. They might still have some stiffness. They might still have some pain. They might have tightness or swelling. Not to the point where it is disabling, not to the point where you can't do the things that you want to do and live a very fulfilling life and doing the activities and everything that you want. But you'll still feel like, something's just a little bit different. This isn't my normal knee. I know there's a knee replacement and, you don't have these symptoms that are debilitating, but they're just there and you notice them. And just like for the people who get to 100% better, these individuals, you'll probably notice it less and less. It will get a little bit better day by day, week by week, month by month, but you still might not be that 100%, but you'll probably be in that range of feeling, 85, 90%, 95% better, but still have some lingering symptoms here and there. And the important thing to think about with that is if you compare yourself prior to having knee replacement surgery and after having knee replacement surgery, the vast majority of people, probably 80% or even more than that, of people are going to say that I'm satisfied, I'm happy that I had a knee replacement surgery. I have less pain, I have improved mobility, I can do more activities, more physical activities, I can go through my day to day with less discomfort and less issues. And that's for the vast majority of individuals. And even though you might have those lingering symptoms still, just a little bit, you're still going to be very happy and think that you had a positive outcome and would get knee replacement surgery again if you had to make the decision again. So it's really important to keep that perspective as you go along with this. Again, that may take 6 months, it may take a year and a half, it may take up to 2 years. A vast majority of people may still have some issues up to 2 years after surgery. They're not going to be as significant as early on those first few months, but you can still have some things going on, some swelling, some aches and pains, a little bit of stiffness. But even as you're 2 years out from surgery to a couple years out, 5 years out from surgery, you can still make some improvements and you're going to continue to get better and heal and recover and notice things less and less over time for the vast majority of folks. Again, there are some people who, for whatever reason, they don't have a positive outcome from surgery. And, some studies say that's 20%, 1 in 5 people. There's some differences among the literature out there, but there are some folks who won't have a positive outcome, and the knee never will feel totally normal, and they probably will not be happy with their knee replacement. And some ways to kind of limit that effect is just remember that, one, it's important to keep that perspective. Remember that you may have those lingering symptoms, but for most folks, they're going to be happy with the overall result and what comes from having surgery. And the other thing is just be realistic of your expectations. Are you going to feel 100% and it's going to feel like you have a brand new knee and you feel like you're a young teenager or 20-year-old and can do whatever you want with it? No, that's not realistic. Realistic is you're going to have a lot more mobility. You're going to feel better. You might have some symptoms still, but you're going to feel a lot better overall. You're going to be able to do some activities more. You're going to tolerate things better and just feel better overall, even though that might not be that you're going out and playing a football game or playing a soccer game or doing super extreme skateboarding tricks or something really crazy like that. It's you have to be realistic, maintain realistic expectations and perspective of what your outcome is from knee replacement surgery. And for the vast majority of folks, that's going to end up being something positive. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. As always, be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can catch all of our newest videos. Again, thank you very much for watching.